Once upon a time, in a very cheerful village, Lila the lamb found a pair of sparkly red shoes by the river. "These look fun," she bleated, slipping them on. And suddenly, her hooves started tapping. The shoes were enchanted, making her dance wildly through the village square. Lila twirled past Benny the bunny, who hopped along, giggling. She spun by Clara the cow, who mooed in delight as Lila's fluffy wool bounced. But the shoes wouldn't stop. So Lila danced into Mr. Owl's library, knocking over books. "Who? Slow down!" he hooted. Desperate, Lila pranced to the village pond where Freddie the Frog had an idea. "Jump in? Water might stop the magic." Splash! Lila leaped in and the shoes sputtered and then stopped. Soaked but free! Lila laughed as her friends clapped. The shoes were not ordinary, but still sparkly. So Lila kept them for the village kids even made up a song about Lila's dancing day. And every time she wore the shoes, they'd all pretend to dance, giggling until their sides hurt. Lila learned to check for magic before trying new things. But she never forgot her hilarious adventure. The end.